Are you tired of living with knee pain? Does every step feel like a challenge? Millions of people around the world suffer from knee joint pain due to arthritis, injury, or wear and tear. But the good news is there's a solution. A solution that's changing the game for knee replacement surgery. Robotic knee replacement. So why robotic knee replacement? Let's dive into it. Traditional knee replacement surgeries involve a lot of guesswork. Surgeons rely on their hands and intuition to place the prosthetic knee parts, and while these procedures are effective, they aren't always perfect. That's where robotics come in. Robotic-assisted surgery provides precision and accuracy like never before. With the help of advanced technology, the surgeon can plan and execute your knee replacement with a level of detail that wasn't possible before. Here's how it works. The robot is controlled by the surgeon, who uses it to map out your knee in 3D before surgery. This helps the doctor understand exactly how your knee moves and where the implants will fit best. The robot's advanced sensors and real-time data allow for the most precise placement of the prosthetic components, which is crucial for a better outcome. With robotic knee replacement, we are able to achieve a much more precise fit, which leads to faster recovery and less pain. In fact, studies have shown that patients who undergo robotic knee replacement often experience less blood loss, smaller incisions, and a more natural feeling knee after surgery. But the benefits don't stop there. With robotic surgery, the recovery time is typically shorter, allowing you to get back to your daily activities much faster. And don't forget, the accuracy of robotic knee replacement reduces the likelihood of needing revision surgery down the road. Imagine living without knee pain again. With robotic knee replacement, we can help make that a reality. If you're dealing with knee pain, it's time to explore your options. Robotic knee replacement may be the answer you've been waiting for. Reach out to us today to learn more and take the first step towards a pain-free life. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on the latest in medical advancements.